Hello everyone, this is Vlad from Talissa Decor. Today I'm going to talk to you about installing the polystyrene ceiling tiles when you have a pre-installed crown molding. So a lot of time people ask us, should I remove the molding or should I leave them there? And my answer would be, you should leave the molding. The tile can be installed against the molding. This is a typical crown molding. If you look at the profile, you'll see it's about 1/4 inch lip and sometimes even wider, and the tiles normally the tiles are much thinner. It's less than 1/8 of an inch. Basically what you can do, you can install the tile up to this edge, and now we're going to demonstrate you how to do that. So let's assume these are our crown moldings, and these are the ceiling tiles, and the last one we cannot fit the full tile, so now we have to do the cuts, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So the best way to do is just to flip the tile, to put against the molding, and to mark one side, another one, and using a straight edge to cut the piece of the desired width. Now we're gonna show you. As you can see, it sits very tight against the molding, right? And it's still way smaller than the vertical lip of the molding itself. So basically what I'm doing right now, I'm just going to apply the adhesive. As you can see here, I have a very tight joint. Now, if I wouldn't cut it that good, you can always use a bit of a Alex Plus white paintable caulk, or if the gap is not too big, you can even use the same adhesive for to install the tile, the Styrofoam. It also can seal a little hole, and it's a paintable glue. So let me cut the other piece. Now, since the tiles are completely symmetrical, or this particular tile is symmetrical, I can use the other part of the tile to cut the next piece. So this is what I do once again. I'm going to flip the tile. I'm going to mark one side. And using the straight edge, I'm going to cut the tile again. I'm going to flip my piece. See, it's nice and tight. You can see I applied, this is the way I applied the adhesive, 6 dots. Okay, so this is a way to install the tiles with the existing molding without removing the molding. Looks nice, tight, doing quite beautiful. If you have any questions, any inquiries, please email us at info@talissadecor.com or give us a call, 1-888-717-8453. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Have a good one. Bye bye.